Alright, what's up, y'all? What's up, YouTube? Hope everybody having a good day. Right now, I'm headed to Walmart. You know what I'm saying? It's about that time. We putting the rims on the back. You know what I'm saying? And we finna get these jokers installed. You feel me? Cause like, bruh, it's been too long. But the reason why like it's really taking this long is because like, you know what I'm saying, I sprayed the rims, so I had to wait. I had to wait for the paint to dry, and then I had went on like a little vacation and shit. But they here though, they back there. You see them? You see the tires, the rims a little laid back down, but they back there. You know what I'm saying? So, I had to fucking rent a damn U-Haul though. Oh God, I had to rent a U-Haul because I can't fit all of them in my car. You know what I'm saying? And then, you know, I had to pay for it, but it's like. It's more easier this way, like I ain't gotta stress too much. That's why low key I want a truck too. In the future I'm gonna get me a truck, but you can see them jokers back there. With the tire letter on there. I'm gonna go back over it again once I get them put on. I really hope some of this paint don't come off my rim, you know what I'm saying? Cause I did them myself. But I'm just ready to get them put on, cause you know what I'm saying, the tires I got on right now, they starting to wear out. Even though I could switch them, I could put the front in the back, and the back in the front, but and then plus it's taking up space, so it's time to get them out. But yeah, man, time to put these things on, God. But yeah, cause I didn't even know Walmart be doing like I didn't even know Walmart be doing it, cause I was going to like a local over here, but they low-key be taxing sometimes. So I'm finna head over to Walmart, see what they talking about. And then yeah, I'm gonna catch up back to y'all when I get there. Y'all, I'm checking in. Walmart couldn't put my tires on my rims because they told some they machine not big enough. So I went to Discount Tire. They told some, oh, we can only put 3 on because the other one got a patch. I'm like, bro, so like, nah, I'm not just finna get 3 rims put it on. That, you know what I'm saying? Like that's crazy talk. So I came to this local tire. I don't know why I didn't come to Big Zach's in the first place, because I came here already, but the first time. But Walmart, I know Walmart was cheaper. But so now I'm back at Big Zach's. They getting put on right now. 2 is done. He rotating the 3rd one. Oh nah, 3 done. Ooh. But yeah. So once them get done, I'm gonna give y'all a good close-up look on them, and then I'm gonna have to go drop those off at the house, and then I gotta go drop the U-Haul off and go pick up my car. Cause what time is it? Yeah, I gotta go return it. So yeah. What up, YouTube? What's up, y'all? We back at it with another video. Right now, this is just a little quick update. I'm doing a little quick update video. You know what I'm saying? I told y'all I'm finishing the rims. I done got the rims put on, y'all. Yes, I done got the rims put on. So this is what she look like. We went with the all white this summer. You know what I'm saying? That shit look nasty though. Oh God. I did the rims and the tire letters myself. They ain't bad, they alright. I didn't really finish the rims, but I had to get them things out the house. Wife was tripping. So, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, I ain't really do too much crazy stuff on it. Not yet. It's going to the shop next month. It's going to the shop next month though. That's my dog. It's going to the shop next month. I'm getting the cam job done. So yeah, I'm getting the cam job done on that thing. So once the cam work, so I already asked. I can't get footage of the work getting done, but he said I could record it going. Obviously I'm gonna record it going to the shop and leaving. So I'm gonna get that footage in there, but I'm taking it to the shop on the 17th, I believe, or something like that. So once that get done, it's gonna sound different. It's gonna ride different, hopefully. And then once I get that done, the next thing I'm focusing on is I'm finna get some coilovers, and I need to upgrade the brakes and rotors. You know, more power. I need my car to stop faster. You know, because people don't know how to drive for real. People don't know how to drive. So, oh yeah, and I also added my channel sticker, the banner, the window banner, windshield banner, 100% throttle. 100% throttle. That shit hard. Yeah. So the caution down there. So that's her. So you know what I'm saying? And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get some. So obviously you can see where we at right now. You know what I'm saying? You can tell there's been some action out here. This is a little spot I used to go to a while back, but I stopped going. And the reason I stopped going is because like of tires, really, because I just got tired of paying for tires. Like after my second set of tires, I was just like, damn, you know. But I am finna do quick some. I'm gonna put a little clips of me doing a quick drag, some drags down here down this strip. I don't know how long this strip is. It's about maybe a quarter mile, maybe. I don't know. If you start from right, I don't know, but yeah, I'm gonna put some clips of me doing some drag, and so y'all can see how it is stock. You know what I'm saying? Before I get some work done on it as well, y'all can see how it takes off, and also it grips so much better with these new tires too. So I like that. So yeah, so that's what we got going on. Oh, and yeah, stay tuned, man. We got some more coming. You know what I'm saying? Hit that like, subscribe button, drop them comments. You know what I'm saying? I be responding to them comments. I be seeing them. So you already know what it is, man.
I just hold it.
Is it recording?
Yeah.
Alright, yeah, just hold it. But when I take off, you know what I'm saying? Get me taking off too long. about the camera. Forgot about the camera. Blowing the smithereens. Blowing the smithereens. Hey, what up, YouTube? Yes, sir. Yeah, I know. I look different from the video. You know what I'm saying? I recorded that video, you know what I'm saying, a couple days ago. But I forgot that I didn't do the outro. You feel me? So, like, I was editing the video and I'm like, dang, you know what I'm saying? Like, I need to do this outro. And the reason the reason I haven't posted this video that I'm finna upload right now is because me and my wife, who just came back on vacation, we was gone for a whole week. So that's really why I had no internet connection, none of that. So but yeah, this the outro right here, bro. What the fuck you talking about, man? But yeah, my hair done grown out, you know what I'm saying? Yes, sir. But yeah, man, like, subscribe, comment, bro. I appreciate y'all like viewing my shit, dropping the comments, like I respond. You know what I'm saying? We almost at 600, bro. We almost at 600, dog. Like, that shit right there. After 600, you know what I'm saying? It's just up from there. You know, I really just need to get my watch hours up and things like that. But you know what I'm saying? It's a process and we working on it. And my baby about to go in the shop soon too. So I can't wait on it. We finna have more videos coming. I'm also finna have some other shit going on with the channel too as well. And also I'm probably gonna you know what I'm saying, I'm probably gonna insert a video on my channel, just like what it was like when I went, me and my wife, on vacation. Just a little clip. It's gonna be probably about like 5 minutes long, not that long. But yeah, man, I appreciate all the love, all the support. You know what I'm saying? 100% throttle. We coming. We in the dough. You know what I'm saying? Like, you know what I'm saying? I fuck with everybody who fuck with me. You know what I'm saying? And I'm just getting used to YouTube. You know what I'm saying? I wasn't sure how to come on because I didn't want my shit to get taken down. You know what I'm saying? Like that. But you know what I'm saying? Fuck it. We going how we coming how we coming. Like, subscribe, comment. More videos coming soon. Yes, sir. I'm switching gears, like, I really don't care. The police don't feel us. She popped the pill, like, she really don't care. So much sometimes it don't feel right. When I go to the city, I'm push my skill. They saying they feel right, but because they think all that niggas switching gears, like, I really don't want to understand. I'm going at 140, 160. I'm trying to do